In this video, I'll show you how to add new fonts into Photoshop, step by step. So let's get started.
First, we need to find a font you like. Let's start by searching for DaFont and click on DaFont.com. This site has tons of fonts, both free and paid, in almost any style you can imagine. If you want more options, you can also check out fonts.google.com or 1001fonts.com.
Once you've found the font you like, go ahead and click on Download. After it's downloaded, go to the folder where the file is saved and extract it.
Inside the extracted folder, you'll usually see a file that ends with .ttf or .otf. Open that file and then click Install. That's it for the installation. If you already have Photoshop open, make sure to restart it. Once it restarts, your new font will be available and ready to use in your projects. And that's it. Now you know how to add new fonts to Photoshop quickly and easily. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.